Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. Long time later I am back in my Bitcoin graphs and chart. So let's start. First of all, I am on the 1 day chart. In 1 day chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 1 hour chart, in 1 hour chart you can see also the market is going to up. If I go to 2 hour chart, in 2 hour chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 3 hour chart, in 3 hour chart you can see also the market is going to up. If I go to 4 hour chart, in 4 hour chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 1 minute chart, in 1 minute chart you can also notice the market is going to up. If I go to 15 minute chart, in 15 minute chart you can see the market is going to up in random. If I go to 45 minute chart, in 45 minute chart you can see market is also going to up. So it's a natural trend, you can notice clearly. If I go to 4 hour chart, in 4 hour chart you can calculate easily. So how I will explain. First I take a scale. This to a scale. Here you can see the market output, and then change his position and he go to down. After that he again go to up. Look this, and then he go to this place, and now he try to up this position. But my thinking is not that. He can go this place, after that he change his position this place. After he can change his position up or down. So I think that's the exact calculation or the market going on. Now you can notice that the market is going to up and he go to this place. So if I calculate a good calculation, look this scale, he go to this place, and he bring his position. He go to this place and he go to down. After that he can go to up. I think everybody understand what I explain. If you know the good prediction, comment below and share your idea. I hope it will helpful for our viewers. Now I discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 20,508.60 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 20,508.60 USD. I think everybody like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.